Find or read reviews that people are talking about BEAUGATHER Pool Surface Cleaner Robot with Solar and Rechargeable Dual Mode, Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, Smart Pool Skimmer Basket. Automatic Pool Vacuum Cleaner with Auto Escape and Auto Turn. Why you should choose BEAUGATHER Pool Surface Cleaner Robot with Solar and Rechargeable Dual Mode. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Solar and Rechargeable Dual Mode. Use solar charging in sunlight. Full sunlight can last up to 12 hours, in cloudy and rainy days or at night. You can also use rechargeable mode, 2500 mAh, to last up to 3 hours or more. Maximum cleanable pool area is 860 square feet. Auto exit and auto turn. Radar detection and smart navigation make the pool vacuum won't be trapped. It will automatically back up when it meets a dead corner and turn 90 degrees when it touches a wall. Suitable for any shape of pool. Lazy man's favorite robot. It is very easy to use. Put it into the pool and turn on the switch to clean it automatically. Keep your pool clean and beautiful, make you feel happy and relaxed. Cordless design does not require cords, hoses or other attachments when using the pool robot. 2 speeds. Normal mode and fast mode are free to switch. 4 wheels protection design prevents the pool vacuum robot and the wall from colliding. The fine filter can effectively collect debris such as leaves, flower petals, dust, insects, and animal hair and more. The viewable window on the solar panel allows you to observe whether the inside of the skimmer basket is full or not. Technology Escort. Salt and alkali-resistant material can be used in seawater. UV-resistant coating can prevent UV damage to the pool robot vacuum. And the robotic pool cleaners adopts advanced brushless motors for high efficiency and long service life. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.